etc. Good afternoon. We are from TGMS Model School Sadashivan. My name is M. Sushant from 9th.
My name is Gangaraj from my TGMS Sadashivan.
Our project name is Safety Four-Wheeler. Materials used in this project.
One Arduino, two LCDs, one dual motor, MQ3, single chip, buzzer, two buttons, and etc.
The process of this project is the useful of this project is for the four-wheeler drivers. We can use this project for the four-wheelers. We have to stick this triple pin and the MQ3 to the seat, and the triple chip have to be in the seat, beside the seat, and the MQ3 have to be in the steering. If the driver were drank alcohol or smoking, the MQ3 will detect. Let's see this project. The connections of this project. First we have to take Arduino's 2, and we have to LCDs 2, and we have to connect with female to male wires. Batteries. Let's see how the batteries were connected.
The batteries are 3000. The battery was 3000 watts.
The batteries was 3000 watts. That's the reason the LCDs were performing well. The workout of this project. If the driver were smoking, if the MQ3 will sense this. If he were started the engine, if the driver was smoking, the smoke will appear here. Automatically the engine will stop, and the tires will automatically lock. If we take out the smoke here, the buzzer will on because he were smoking. It was warning to the driver. So this is the workout of this project. If the driver were drank alcohol or smoking, automatically the MQ3 will sense and the engine automatically off. And if this mechanism was not there, the driver will smoke and he will goes to the unconscious. If he goes to the unconscious, the driving will goes to suspense, and it will go on to accidents were done. And if their accidents were done, it can be danger for the opposite vehicle who drives on the opposite road or besides the vehicle or on the road. The accident will done by it. Now it is the major problem in the society on the roads, highways, etc. It will useful for the drivers or road accidents prevention.